Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. So this video is going to be all about my favorite products. So we're going to do a face with some of my favorite products of 2019. Yeah, we're just gonna hop right into it. Before I get started, I want to make sure you guys go ahead and just hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I do post a new video and some new content, you're notified. You don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss it. Make sure you share this video with your friends because they don't want to miss it. And like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know, like, hello. Don't forget to join Follow Yay. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. So I usually do not do my brows on camera, but since I'm showing my faves, I have to show y'all my favorite eyebrow thing. Pomade. Could not find that word. So this is the Morphe eyebrow pomade. I have the pencil from Morphe as well, but for some reason I just love this pomade. I've used Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I do love, but for some reason, and guess what? It's only $6, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and start my brows. So tell me, what is y'all favorite eyebrow? Do you like pomade? Do you like pencil? What do y'all like? So I finished my other eyebrow and now I'm gonna go in and prime my lids. I'm not gonna show you what I used to clean up my brows yet because I'm gonna use it again, but I'm gonna show you, this is some of my favorite concealer I'm gonna use to prime my lids. This is in the color Golden Beige and it's the It's You Sistar HD concealer. This concealer, y'all, I mentioned Sistar concealers so much. Here is the one that I used to highlight. It's right in front of me. As you can see, that look, I'll be beating it up. I love this freaking concealer. Like, it's really... So now I'm going in with my Pretty Vulgar translucent powder, and this is what I use to set my primer. Also my primer on my face and my nose, especially in the summertime. I use primer to set my... I use translucent powder to set my primer. So I'm just going to use it to set my eye. I don't dust this off. I just pat it all the way in. I do have hooded eyes, so it makes it just a little easier to deal with. It keeps it from creasing so quickly. Now we're going to go in with the good old matte look. So this is how this looks. The pigmentation... bomb, sis, bomb. This brown right here. So I'm not even gonna hold you. One of my favorite things about this palette is the fact that it's all matte. Like, legit, that's one of my favorite things about it. Because I feel like a lot of people throw these shimmer shades and and you can't do nothing with them. So I'm just gonna go in with this deepest brown. It's like, sis, we can't do nothing with that. Like, where we going? Alright, so I'm going to go back in with that shade that I used first. I always do this. You want to go back and forth just to make sure things are nice and blended. I always say, like, the key to makeup is to blend, which is partly why makeup takes so fucking long. Because, like, if you got a boo and he be trying to take you out and he like, why don't you take you so long? Tell him it's because you got to blend that. I got to blend that pie. That's why. Alright, so I really don't want to do a cut crease, but I always do a cut crease. So I'm about to go cut my crease with the same concealer that I just used, and I'll be right back. All right. The crease has been cut. Fucking weird. Alright, so I'm gonna go back in with that dark brown shade. It's almost like a charcoal brown black shade. I don't know how to explain it, but guess what? I'm feeling it though. I'm just gonna blend that in. I'm gonna get close so y'all can see and I can see. I think I'm gonna use this one. So what's y'all favorite eyeshadow palette right now? Let me know down below in the comments. Like, y'all never want to talk to the kid. Nah, some of y'all talk to me. Come on, let's talk. I want to be your friend. I really love this. This is pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye. Alright, so now that I'm finished with the eyeshadow portion, I'm just gonna dust this off and we're gonna go ahead and prime our face with our favorite almost finished depleted. I'm using this like it's the toothpaste. Like, you don't got no bread, bread is money. You don't got no money, and you know you gotta wait till next, I don't know, you gotta make it last till Friday. I'm gonna hold you. I don't want to use it today because I just want to. I always use this. I'm trying to. These are my second faves. Beauty Bakerie foundation. I'm the number 13. Bet. This is the best color match I've ever gotten on a foundation. Full coverage, all that good shit. This cake mix. Get you some. But today, Fenty. We going in with our Fenty Beauty. I am the color 450. Pro Filter Soft Matte. We going in with this today, sis. Gotta bring that down to the neck, especially when you fat thick. I'm a fat thick girl, so gotta bring that down. Your chin. Make sure, you know what I'm saying? The Morphe concealers. Now let me say something. The Morphe concealers I was iffy about. And the reason why I was iffy about, because every time I use it with the Morphe foundation. I don't like it. I don't like the Morphe foundation that much. I think it's really cakey. I think that I need to work with it more and understand it more. I think I need to build, like use like this much and then keep building, because it always looked cake face to me. But the concealers, one day I use it on top of this Fenty. Baby girl. Alright, and this is the next color. This is the dark color. I didn't say this number. This is the C415 and this is the C555. And I like my concealer really dark on the contour and my highlight really light. So that's why you see my highlight like this. Yeah, why you got that light highlight? Because when I put my contour, like, mind your business. Like, just try it. Like, so now we're gonna go and set the face. This is my black Radiance setting powder and my Beauty Bakerie setting powder. This is banana. The Beauty Bakerie is brown. I'm just gonna set my face with this. I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna use the same sponge and we're gonna use the brown. Alright, so while we're gonna let that set, I'm gonna go off camera and do my lashes and my eyeliner. I don't have a favorite eyeliner because, truth be told, I don't like eyeliner. Lashes from Jitador Butte. This is my homegirl lashes. These are the Nicola lash. I love these lashes. So I'm gonna do these and then I'm gonna do eyeliner and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I got my lashes on. I love these lashes, y'all. I got my little rinky dink I learned. It's the True Complexion Contour Palette from Black Radiance. And I'm just adding a little contour. I don't really contour my forehead, but I do always come to like the temple. And I do it with this product. Alright, so after that we're gonna go in, we're gonna use some blush. This is my Wet n Wild Berry Shimmer Blush. This is my go-to blush. I usually use this blush all the time. I just think the color looks so pretty on me. I'm loving how this face came out, y'all. Or is coming out, it's almost done. We're almost at the finish line. So now we're gonna highlight, and I'm gonna use the Beauty Bakerie So Icy Illuminator in the color Glazed. Y'all, I've had this highlight for quite some time. I don't even think I've scratched the surface of how much is in here. This highlight is so freaking pigmented. I'm sorry. Did I blind you? Did I blind you, sis? Oh, you be alright. Alright, so now we're gonna go into lips and then we're gonna set our face. So I'm gonna go in with my Earthly Brown lip liner from Sistar. And this is my Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss. I'm loving this lip gloss. I got this last month in my BoxyCharm box. So last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and set our face. So this is the Morphe setting spray, and this is, I have like a few of these left, but you know, we use it till it's done, okay? All right, so I'm gonna take down my hair and we'll be right back to see the final look. All right, y'all, we are back with the final look. I actually really love how this came out. Alright, if you enjoyed this video and you used some of my favorites, make sure you let me down below. Let's start a combo. Y'all, can't wait to see what you got to say. Did I slay this look? Do you like this little cute yellow beat or whatever? Make sure you guys join the flower gang. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature. Mwah.